it's handy having this place nearby. Maybe I can suck on a grape or something. Not much here, really. Should have brought a peeler so I can eat some carrots. I just walked around the supermarket and all I could find was garlic bread and some coleslaw. So I'm gonna go back now and suck on my garlic bread and munch on my coleslaw. So here's the only place I managed to get some food. Guy's got no kebab, no wrap. You can just do me some chips. That's the best. And I've also got some chili powder from home. Got a baguette from the supermarket nearby. Maybe I'll put some chips in the baguette and have it with the salad. Not the salad, the coleslaw. Listening to cheesy Polish music channel. And the remote doesn't work, so every time I want to switch over I have to get up. Outside, one of the females who looks high as hell sat on my bike, and I knocked on this window and told her to get off. She got off, and then her two male friends said, no, go on, get on. And he said he just wants a photo, so I said be careful. Luckily they took the photo, hung around for a while, and got back in the taxi that was waiting here and left. I parked my bike near the monument. Huge difference compared to where I'm staying. Well, that feels better. I've just finished having my kebab. Another kebab. Another kebab. There's these sweet birds that keep coming there and sitting over there, or even coming here. And you give them a bit of kebab and go away. But the other thing that doesn't go away is tramps. And they come begging for money. There's loads of them. So yeah. Another day, another kebab. Be glad when this is over.